Maazị NnamdiKanu condemned Court of Appeal for not hearing the suit brought before them since 2018 over the proscribed of IPOB. This is happening. They say one Biafra Liberation Army don't come outside and say there is nothing like IPOB. This one na wahala. Okay, my wonderful people, welcome back to Balabas Gist. If today is the first time you are coming across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. Before we proceed, go look into the Ogbonge news where we get for hand today. And you know, say you never follow or subscribe to this channel, you handle quickly go do them so that you no go dey miss our update back to back. Don't forget to turn your notification bell so that anytime we upload, you will be the first person we go dey get. Now very, very important. Let's quickly jump into the Ogbonge news where we get for hand today. As it dey hot. They say Maazị NnamdiKanu have condemned the Appeal Court for their failure not to hear the suit brought before them for the proscribe of indigenous people of Biafra as a terrorist organization. The leader of indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, NnamdiKanu, has expressed his displeasure and the rejection of the failure of the Court of Appeal to hear the appeal challenging the prosecution of the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, as a terrorist organization by the Nigerian government. The Abuja division of the Court of Appeal has on March 5th, October 16 to hear the appeal filed by IPOB to challenge this proscription as a terrorist organization. Nigeria can surprise you. If Nigeria shock you, you go understand why. This is happening since 2018 and they refuse to hear all these things. Looking for what? That's why you see anything Nigeria Army will come outside and say IPOB, ESN, wing, do this one, that one, so that they will be looking for a way to justify their prosecution of calling IPOB a terrorist organization. They are looking for a way. All these things you are seeing, when something happens in social media, they will come outside and say IPOB, ESM. They are looking for a way. So, 16th, they will hear it. We are still watching. Yeah, my wonderful people, let's quickly jump into the next Ogbonge news we will get for hand. They say one Biafra Liberation Army don't come outside. Can't say there is nothing like IPOB. Say everybody na Biafra. Say the man will be more powerful. The media publishing secretary of IPOB is talking nonsense. I'm going to play the video for you to watch. Then when we come back, we'll talk more about the video.
Tell you the truth. There is nothing like IPOB. For your information, every Biafrans are IPOB, and that very traps where there is a IPOB more powerful. It is rubbish. The people on ground now being activated. IPOB have graduated from ordinary security vigilante that was known as ESM to Biafra Liberation Army and Biafra Resistance Fighter and Biafra Black Marine, Biafra Air Force. The full army of Biafra, the three arms of Biafra forces have been activated by the Prime Minister Maazị Simon Ekpa, order given to him by his spiritual father NnamdiKanu. Remember, in case you don't know, I didn't want to expose this. Nnamdi have handed over everything. We call it template concerning this restoration, a step-by-step process into Simon Ekpa. It is with it. Every damn thing is with him. He knows what he's doing, and he's doing it 100% right. Nothing you can do. Do you understand that? Nobody is calling you for negotiation. Although you know the truth now, anything true, Nigeria cannot carry the true news. The real news, like the death, Nigeria army in Cøurt. Even as in yesterday, they see come and pack their dead body in the primary school in Osumowo. We tell them, say, pack your dead body. Yes, if you come to carry your dead body, pack. We don't want the land already saw blood. We don't want the body to smell everywhere. Pack them. Yes. And they know you cannot leave your dead body for our territory. This land is the holy land. The only thing the land needs is blood. The blood of the enemies. That blood of the person who say the children of the soil must die. That person will end up dying, and the land must suck in blood. Carry the dead body, go and throw away. We don't need the dead body. So we are not ceasing fire for anybody, and we are not calling anybody for negotiation. I tell you, we have only two things as our mission that must be accomplished. Do you know that two things? Biafra or Biafra. We simply mean Biafra by referendum or Biafra by war. Fire by fire. Yeah, I will tell you. This is the only two things. Biafra or Biafra. Biafra in peace or Biafra in trouble. In fire to fire. Choose anyone. You have only one option to choose. And I equally tell you on time that if you choose the violent one, we are ready for you. You choose the peaceful one. If you choose the peaceful one, bring out NnamdiKanu and all the Biafra activists from your different prison, and then negotiate with him which day you fix for referendum. Then we will come and wait for you. If the majority of the people that choose for Biafra is more than those that choose for Nigeria, Biafra go in peace. By so doing, you don't kill me, I don't kill you. You don't wound, I don't wound. Everybody go gege. Go your way, I go my way. You become my neighbor, I become your neighbor. But if you say, no way, we are your slave, we must remain your slave, then we will tell you that in Igbo, when Oga go carry servant, when the servant serve for some years, agree with Oga, that Oga must settle that servant to become Oga. Immediately you settle that servant. If you refuse to settle that servant, your business will go down. Because that boy where you refuse to settle must run down your business, and the God of the land will be with him. Watch and see. You say we are your slave, that you cannot let us go. Now we go run down you. Biafra must run down you. Mark this day. You know, we dey play, they show. Before you used to say na internet country. Biafra is the internet country. Now it's no longer internet country. You come online and boast and make mouth. You wipe us within. How many battalion you came with on Saturday last week? How many you pack your dead body? Those who die confirmed. And I believe there are more than that. They are giving us figure 460. I believe there are more than that. And more than hundreds are injured. And I've told you also, once the ghost shoot you, you sustain wound in the land of Biafra as the enemy of Biafra. That wound can never be healed and you can never recover. You must see die. So every single day you go see they die. You see? And I told the world that this is how to know that they really die plenty. The thing enter their body woto. Now when they could not bounce back the following day, you know say he entered their body. But when they bounce back the following day, you know say the land never suck enough blood. You came war on Saturday. Sunday has passed. Today has passed. Even your brother, Soludo, we're supposed to don't give you backup. You know, give you backup. Why? Please, somebody should tell Soludo is a bad guy. A bad guy. He should come and do his own. We are waiting for all of you. And then, hope. Do. Recruit more. Come. Please don't keep us waiting. Do not keep us waiting. I don't like that thing where you they do. This, you supposed to, every day, let the land see enough food to chop. Nah, waiting they don't know, pass them. Yes, waiting they don't know, pass them. That is what they don't know. I told them that if they know how prepared we are for them, they will never even think of, starting this war in the first place. I told them, as we normally do our things, we will warn them on time. And they always say that those who the gods want to destroy will first block their ear. So therefore, it's not our fault. But the only thing we know for sure is that those who come to the land of Biafra to kill the children of Biafra will end up dying in the land of Biafra. No going back. You see this land, Umchuko Kikabiama give to our ancestors, we must give it to our children in a very good shape. Without the presence of Fulani, without the presence of Yoruba, without the presence of Britain in it, it is the oath we took and we must fulfill it. In this land of our ancestors, this land of Biafra, we go nowhere. So, we are just gathering firewood, so we never set up fire. When we set up fire, you will see the fire will burn and burn well. As I say, I've told you since to fasten your seatbelt that this vehicle have already started movement. So if you fail to do so, you are on your own. Anything that happened to you, you take it.
Yeah, my wonderful people, welcome back. As I've watched that video and hear everything we in talk for this particular video, so I'm asking you to drop your own opinion regarding this video and everything we talk for comment section. Let's talk about it over there. As we do it for here now. No be smart, and no forget to share this video so that other people will see and contribute to put as well. And always make sure say they follow and subscribe to our channels. No miss all our social media handle. We're there for Twitter, we're there for TikTok, we're there for Facebook, we're there for Instagram, we're there everywhere where they find us. We're there, they bring you back to back update. So try to share this video, very, very important. So we'll see you for the next update. Stay tuned and leave your own opinion regarding this video we will bring for you for comment section. Thank you.